Hello everyone. When we talk about AI search, it usually involves multiple tools, a vector database, filters, and a lot of glue code. I wanted to see how much of that complexity seekdb removes. So I built a small hands-on demo. For this demo, I'm using VS Code for writing the codes and Ubuntu terminal for executing them. Now let's start with our first step. Here I'm starting by creating a seekdb client in embedded mode. This runs locally, so there's no external service or setup involved. In the next step, I'm using pyseekdb, which lets me store documents, metadata, embedding together, so I can run semantic search in one place. This default embedding function automatically converts text into vectors for me, so I don't have to set up for manage an embedding model separately. Now here, I'm adding a small product knowledge base. So these are different types of laptops: professional, gaming, business, student, and workstation, along with their metadata like category, type, uses. Instead of filtering manually, I'm just describing what I want in natural language. A high performance laptop for professional and AI work. Then I'm retrieving the most relevant results sorted by semantic relevance rather than keywords. Now let's go and run the program to see how well it works. So I'll switch to my Ubuntu terminal. Here I'll write Python and the file name. So first of all, it gives us collection created, embedding dimensions, 384 dimensions it created, and then the query results, it gives us two outputs. One is result 1 and result 2, where you can see IDP2, who has distance of 0.2535, type is creator, RAM 32 GB, uses AI video. Then is result 2 with a distance of 0.2588, type is professional, RAM is 16, uses is work. So this is how, with a normal search of natural language, you can find the most relevant results. What I like here is that the results are explainable. I can see the laptop type, RAM, uses, and the actual document text that match the query. This makes it much easier to trust and debug the search results. The main takeaway for me is how simple the code stays. Even though the search itself is semantic and intelligent, seekdb makes AI search feels like a normal database problem instead of infrastructure work. With pyseekdb, you can build a real semantic search system with clean, readable Python code, no complex setup required. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next one.